This video will show you how to use Photomatix 7.0 to process all of your images. First thing you want to do is take your images off your SD card out of the camera and put them into a folder on your desktop. I've already done that here and I've labeled it 123 Main Street, so all my images are there. Next thing you want to do is just open up Photomatix, go over here to Automate, go Batch Processing. Then it's going to want to know where all your pictures are because you're going to have to load them all. So go to Select Folder. Going to go to 123 Main Street. There's hit OK. It will load all my photos right here. So the next thing you want to do is look down here, go to Advanced Selection, click Options. And make sure all of this is correct. Bracketed sets have between 5 and 5 frames. So we shoot with 5 frames, so make sure that says 5 and 5. Also, set your timeline here. If it's not already set to 2 seconds, just set it to 2 seconds or so. That's all you need to do on here. Just click OK. That will close that window. Then what we do is we're going to go down here, destination. You can send these to whatever folder you would like to. If you don't do anything, just click, I think it's already defaulted to subfolder within source file. So it'll give you another folder within that folder that you pulled all the images from. Make sure you put save results as JPEG right here, quality 100%. You don't have to do anything else on this side. Go up here, HDR settings. This is important because this is how the images are going to get processed and will dictate what they look like when they're finished. So what you want to do is you want the natural setting. If it's not already selected, you're just going to go here to All Styles and go right here till you see natural. Click that. That seems to work really, really well for interior real estate photos. You're welcome to play with others, but we've found that this one works pretty well. Merge options. Make sure all these boxes are checked. Align images, crop aligned images, remove ghosts. Make sure all those are checked. Finishing options. Probably shouldn't have to do anything here as long as you took your photos well to begin with. Then the next thing, this is really important because the photos have to be a certain size. So the photos you took are going to be very large, so we need to reduce those in while we are processing. So just hit naming and resizing options. Don't worry so much about the naming here, but on resize options, you want to click that box, then that will highlight these. So what you want is you want this top one to be 2000. Oops, got one extra zero in there. So you want the long edge to be 2000. Don't worry about putting anything in this short edge box, but click resize short edge proportionally. That's important because the pictures will come out proportionally correct. So again, long edge 2000, and then just click the resize proportionally. Hit OK. You should be done with everything, and you can go ahead and run them now. You'll see right here, it says loading 5 images, aligning 5 images, and now it's processing. A normal house shoot, the processing should take about a half hour or so. If you want to check your progress as these things are being processed, you can go back into your folder if this is where you decided to put them, and you can actually click on the folder and you'll actually see it being populated with the new images. So you can click on these and make sure it's doing what you want it to do. So we can click on this right here, and it will pop up our image and show us exactly what it is that it's processing to. So anyway, that's all there is to that. If you have any questions, please let me know.